You want me to get in this car? For what? I don't know you. No, I don't think so. Are you serious? Right now in this car? I don't know. Okay, we'll get in. No, I don't know you. What's up? Are you serious?
Are you that guy? Like from YouTube or something? How Billy or the one where you like pick up girls or something? Yeah? Can we take a selfie? Yeah? Okay. Really? Yes. Okay. Pointing us. Come on. He said, come. Baby, come on, please. I just want to ride in it. Look at that. Please, no. Wait. He's a weirdo. He's not even talking to us.
He talked. Well, he kind of talked, I guess.
Come on. We're not going to be friends anymore if you get in this car. I'm telling you,
Just
we're not
have
going to be friends.
fun. We
We're
can
not
share the
going to be
seat.
friends anymore if you get into this
Come
car.
on. It can't be that bad. It'll just be fun. Okay, well, I'll talk to you later, I guess.
Get in? What? Are you going to take me home? I'm not going to get in unless you take me home. Alright, well as long as you're taking me home, right? Yeah. Nice car though. Hey, what's up? I don't just get in random people's cars, or what's your name? I don't think so. You're asking me to get in your car? Are you, I don't even know you. You want me to seriously get in your car? Like, oh my god. Where are we going?